Hello, everyone. Thank you for tuning in to Billionaires Club 101. I just want to say that I am not a billionaire. That's just the name of my YouTube channel. Today's topic is becoming a business funding broker. And well, let me correct that. Becoming a certified business funding broker with David Allen Capital. I've been with the business for about 3 or 4 years now. One of the things that I like with David Allen Capital is the opportunity, of course, but also the training. We also have a Facebook group. We're also provided a free website. That free website has what's called a back office. In your back office, there's a lot of training, a lot of information where you're going to be successful, or here to make you successful in the business funding space. But of course, your success is based off of what you put into the business. If you sign up and you do nothing, you earn nothing. If you sign up, go through the certification process, then you start to do what the training says to do, and put it in effort to your business funding growth. And then also you can be what's called a solopreneur, or you have what's called a business funding agency. I have a business funding agency, and what that means is I go out and produce business funds for business owners. But in addition to that, I make videos like this to introduce the business funding opportunity to people who are more like an entrepreneur, have an entrepreneur mindset, but maybe you are working a 9-to-5 job. Maybe this person is a real estate broker, a real estate agent, maybe an insurance professional, or a professional that does other things. Or it can be a person like yourself. If this is what fits you, maybe you are working a 9-to-5 job and you can use some additional income in your spare time. You can also apply as well. It can be a person who's unemployed. It doesn't matter who you are, what you're currently doing, or your educational level. We have an entire platform where, so you sign up, earnwithdon.com. That is the introductional video with our CEO, David Rutz. And then there's, at the bottom is a portion where a button that says join here. And then there are no fees that you're gonna pay to join the opportunity. There is never gonna be a down the line, you got to pay this monthly fee. There's no monthly fees. There's no cost to join. You're going to get a free website. You're going to go through a free certification training. Let me just let you know this about the certification training. It gives you all the details for you to be successful with David Allen Capital. So once you join, you're going to be called like a referral partner. So a referral partner, you go out and introduce your website to business owners. They'll go to your platform, they'll apply, and then you'll get a percentage of that. I don't want to talk about commissions because all that's going to be done with your certification, training. So once you go through the training, you're going to be called, your title will now be a certified funding broker. Okay, so once you become a certified funding broker, there's a lot more commission you will earn when you introduce business owners to our platform. But then also you'll be receiving an email that has some important information. It's going to have your agent ID number. It's going to have your duplicate personal website there. It's going to be personalized to you. There's going to be a good amount of information on there, but also I will see, once you join, I'll reach out to you. I'll welcome you into the business opportunity. Your success is my success. What I'm looking to do is bring on board motivated people who are looking to earn some income in their spare time. Now, the key word is earn. I don't want to give you some information saying, join today and get paid tomorrow. That can happen for you, but I want to make sure you understand what I'm conveying to you as my potential business partner within the David Allen Capital business opportunity. But if this is for you and you can see that you want to earn some additional income in your spare time, I would like for you to go to my website. You're going to get one just like this. It's bestratefunds.com. It's BEST rate RATE funds FUNDS.com. So that's my personal website. You'll get one the same exact, but just make sure once you get your website, you're introducing people to that website, not my website. But what I'm looking for is people who are located in the United States or Puerto Rico. They have a willingness to learn and earn in something new. This is a new um, career path that you can take because maybe this is maybe foreign to you. You have not heard of business funding, and I give you a description of what we do. So in my area, I have a lot of restaurants around me. I have a lot of business owner around me. Take for example, you have a plumber. The plumber is having a lot of success, and then they have maybe a brother or they have a family member who they want to put in position of going through the plumbing training, whatever the process is, becoming a plumber, and that plumber wants to expand his family business. But he goes to the bank asks, or he goes to the bank for a business loan. The bank asks him to fill out an application, goes through that process. Maybe the bank's terms and conditions may ask for some collateral, but maybe the plumber does not want to provide some collateral. But the bank says we need some collateral, so just in case you default, we have something tangible that we can go after to recoup some of this business loan that you've applied for. So once that plumbers realize you don't want to go through the bank platform, we are alternative to a bank. And what happens is you introduce that plumber to your website, they go to your platform, they fill out their information, and then what happens is that intake is presented to our underwriters with Development Capital. And we have a great team in our underwriting team. They are proactive in communicating with your clients, prospective clients, but also they keep you in the loop of what's going on as far as the clients go. It is recommended once your client is being approved, it's okay for you to maybe send an email or text or just give them a phone call. Congratulations, my name is Don. You went to my website, you applied for some business funding, you were approved. I see that you received the funds. Excellent. If you need any more business funds, and you know another business that needs some business funds, please share my business funding website with them. And then as that business or that plumber, he may know someone that needs some business funding, and he may present your link to that person, and you start seeing those clients that are coming to your platform. And then also in your back office, so you're going to have what's called a back office. This is behind the scenes of your website. You're going to be able to see the members that are on your team if you're growing a business agency. You also see your customers, your clients. You'll see what the business funds are. You'll also see a portion of where your commission and things like that. And so what I'm looking for is to grow my business agency. So this is why I'm making a video. Just give you an idea of this is the things that you may want to do when you're deciding to join. You don't have to sound so scripted to where you don't want to mess up. I'm just coming into this is my recording and just explaining what I do. And then if you're an open-minded person, you want to go out and help some business owners to gain access to business funds, and in transition to that, you are rewarded as you getting paid a commission. There are some training that goes over the commission of how do we get paid and what do we get paid and when do we get paid. But also your certification course, you're going to get a certificate of completion of that business funding certification course. Very, very well put together. It's not an expanded amount of time on. So your certification course has certain segments, and they're broken up into maybe a 2-minute video, a 3-minute video, but it goes down the line for you to understand all aspects of our business funding platform, but also how to grow your business as well. And I'm proud to say that I went through that certification process. I did that. It's also self-paced. It's you don't have to clock in at a time clock or anything like that. Is when you're ready to go through that certification process, you'll press start. The course will start at your own pace. Anytime you want to log out, you can log out. But in the end, you'll feel so well prepared to talk to business owners. But one thing I'm going to lead with is your process is helping people gain access to business funds they are not able to do with their banks. So our goal is to be that resource for business owners to keep their doors open, to grow their business, but also become a resource to that business owner. You want to make sure that you reach out to, so your business owner got funding, maybe you want to reach out to them within the next 30 days. Hey, how's business going? You know what? That business funding really helped my business out, and this is what it did for our company. Perfect. Now that you are building that relationship with that business owner, you are now paired as a business friendship. And then that business owner may, somewhere down the line, may know another business owner who may need some business funding for growth, and your name may come up, and then they may either give you like as a referral or share the link, your link, with that business owner. So you want to reach out, talk to business owners, but also when you get word of mouth referrals, that just expand your business. And like I said, I'm growing my business agency. I would like for you to, if this seemed like an opportunity for you, I want you to look at my website, bestratefunds.com. Go to the website, take a look at it. This is what you're going to get. There's no cost to join, but the opportunity is up to you. You must take action. If you're a person of taking action, you will see that also that reflects when you're talking to business owners. You help them grow, but also your income will grow. So the term I want you to get familiar with is the law of large numbers. The more people you talk to, the more yeses you will hear, but also you're gonna hear some no's. That's okay. Maybe the business funds are not there, they're not ready for business funds, but also you also planted a seed for that person who says no to you. So don't think it stops there. Maybe down the line you see there's a need for them to grow their business, and you're the resource that they can come back to and say, hey, what about those business funds that you said I can possibly get access to? Not a problem. Here's my website. I want to thank you for tuning in to Billionaires Club 101. I appreciate if you can leave some comments, whether it be good, bad, or indifferent. I appreciate that. If you're a person who says, let me take the leap of faith, I want to get into the driver's seat. I want to control my income each and every month. I want to make sure if I know a friend, family, or someone else who can use additional income, I would like for you to, once you join, you're going to be able to give them a link, and it's going to share the opportunity with that person, or you can come to a video like this and just create, what you're passionate about. I am passionate about that. I can help business owners, but also I can earn some additional income in my spare time, or I can create videos such as this, and then business owners will come to the video, look at maybe this is a fit for them, and they can apply for business funding. So what I'm going to do in the description box, I'm going to leave the business funding opportunity in the link. That is earnwithdon.com. You'll hear the business funding opportunity. You also have a chance to join for free, of course, never costing you anything. And then there's going to be a link in the description as far as for business owners. If you are looking to get business funds and grow your business, I'll leave a link as well. I want to thank you for tuning in to Billionaires Club 101. Have a good day. Thank you.